Galley Electric successfully provided and installed the electrical infrastructure for the new fuel storage facility at Patrick Space Force Base. Our comprehensive scope of work included the installation of a 13.2 kV, 750 kVA transformer, 480-volt switchgear, lighting systems, lightning protection, grounding systems, and fire alarm systems. We diligently managed construction submittals, performed daily quality control inspections, and ensured the provision of temporary power and lighting. Our extensive efforts encompassed demolition, excavation, duct bank installation, medium voltage power installations, and site lighting.